Such is life. Oh, that one's an easy enough. That's a nice easy screw, that one is. Yeah, much better. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hello internet, just a quick one. If you saw my last video you would have seen my new improved face mask. That really wasn't a new improved face mask, but it was a new filter for the car. So today I'm just going to take you through quickly changing it. It will be a very quick video, literally taking the one off I've got on there already, which I've cleaned a few times. It's probably about 5 years old now, so it's about ready for a change, and putting a new one on. It really is as simple as ABC. So let's do it. So what we're going to get to first is the Jubilee clips, which are, I believe, off the top of my head, 7mm. Yeah, they are. So we just basically, I'm going to take both of them off. Probably don't need to, but it just makes it a little bit easier. So just going to quickly unscrew that one. It's a bit of an uncomfortable screw, that one. Such is life. Oh, that one's an easy enough. That's a nice easy screw, that one is. Yeah, much better. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So there you go. Undo those, slip them off like that, and now I can't do this with two hands, so let's get you mounted. Hold on a second. So now we give it a bit of a tug. Ooh, yeah. Like that, straight off. Happens then. Just going to undo that bracket a little bit more. Just give me a second. Like so. Slides off. This filter I'll keep anyway because it is dirty and it's a bit old, but it will do for when I'm cleaning the new one. Yeah, it's okay. It's a little bit battered and bruised, but it ain't bad. So new filter goes in like so. Yeah, this is going to be great camera work, by the way, as always. That one goes on there like that. Job's a good one. There you are, slipped on. Quick screw up again. Oh, cool, that's the tight one, isn't it? Yeah, that's the uncomfortable screw, that one. Oh, there you go. Nice and tight. And a nice easy screw. Done. Job's a good one. Give it the thumbs up. Oh, there you go guys. Hopefully that was educational to somebody. It's already pre-greased, as you can see from my fingers. Yeah, slimy stuff. It was about, I get them for about £75 these, so they're not cheap, but I had the induction kit already, so it's just replacing the air filter. Like I say, the old one, which is in here, yeah, been well used. It, I think when the writing goes off like they have done there, that's about ready to change it. But again, I'll clean this one up and it will do for a spare when I'm having to clean this one at service intervals. But there you go, there is the REVO intake back on the S3 again. Catch you later guys.